Express sine 67 degrees plus cos 75 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Let's see the solution for this problem. Given that sine 67 degrees plus cos 75 degrees, and we have to write these trigonometric ratios in terms of another trigonometric ratios angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Now sine 67 can be written as sine 90 minus 23 degrees, and 75 degrees can be written as 90 minus 15 degrees. Now we know that sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Using these two values, let us write the sine 90 minus 23 can be written as cos 23 degrees, and cos 90 minus 15 can be written as sin 15 degrees. From the question, we are asked to write all the angles between 0 and 45 degrees. Therefore, this is the required answer. This is the end of the solution.